The first patient with coronavirus is identified in the U.S. A man in Washington state is infected with a new respiratory virus. Federal officials plan to expand screenings for the infection at major airports. A man in his 30s in Washington state is infected with the Wuhan coronavirus, the first confirmed case in the United States of a mysterious respiratory infection that has killed at least 6 people and sickened hundreds more in Asia, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention announced on Tuesday. Federal officials also announced expanded screenings for the infection at major airports in the United States. In addition to New York, Los Angeles, and San Francisco, airports in Atlanta and Chicago will begin examining passengers arriving from Wuhan, China, for signs of illness. The infected man, a resident of Snohomish County, Washington, developed symptoms after returning from a trip to the region around Wuhan where the outbreak began. He returned from Wuhan on January 15, 2 days before passenger screening was instituted at 3 major airports in the United States, but he had no symptoms at the time. He read online about the mysterious new virus that causes fever and respiratory illness, and informed his doctors about his recent trip when he sought care on Sunday, federal officials said. He was seen at a clinic in Snohomish County and is now hospitalized at Providence Regional Medical Center Everett. Specimens from the patient were sent to the CDC in Atlanta, and officials confirmed on Monday that he was infected with the Wuhan coronavirus, also called 2019 nCoV. Health officials declined to identify the patient, but said that he has a mild case of pneumonia, is doing well and has been very cooperative. Healthcare workers are also trying to identify people who may have had contact with the infected traveler, and are notifying some of the passengers on his return flight who might have been exposed. They will monitor those fellow passengers for fever and respiratory symptoms. Federal health officials plan to expand the screening of passengers arriving in the United States from Wuhan to 5 airports that are major international hubs. All travelers from the city will be funneled through those airports. Screenings started on Friday and Saturday at New York's Kennedy International Airport, San Francisco International and Los Angeles International. Now they will be expanded to Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International and Chicago O'Hare International over the next few days. Passengers from Wuhan planning to arrive in other cities will be issued new tickets taking them to one of the 5 screening airports, officials said. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this, please show your support by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification.